What is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here. Today we are taking a track tour of the Custom RC Mods Tiny Whip track rendition 1. I'm going to do a lot of Tiny Whip racing. That's why you see the title Tiny Whip Racing, Custom RC Racing. So I will be making a lot of tracks for my Tiny Whip, but this is going to be a tour, and I'm using Mavic today for the Steadicam footage, as you can see, kind of shaking it all around there. But basically, we're going to go ahead and just do this track. So as you can see, here's the whole shot right here going straight into this area, which is the cabinet. Inside the cabinet is where the whip laps will be set up for the timing system, and I'm gonna have to go around to show you the other side of the cabinet so we can keep going. But here it comes out. We got this interesting pink cabinet thingy on the other side, but it comes through this little tunnel, and as you can see right here, we've got these four little pieces right up against the workbench. As you can see, that kind of you go under, so right there, and it kind of go around the chair. Once out, just like that, you're gonna go ahead and ascend. So as you can see, we're coming out. Now we're gonna go into this top gate. As you can see, let me go around, and then around this pole. You see this pole right up there, and then we're gonna go right over through that yellow gate right there. And more about this gate: this is the smallest gate in the entire track. It is still pretty big, pretty manageable for the Tiny Whips, but it is a lot of fun to fly through and really kind of satisfying. So once you exit through the gate, we're going to go out the door, and as you can see here, we're just going to go straight into the basement. So down in the basement here, we're just going to go straight down, and there's a pin back there somewhere that I fly around that I haven't really really need to extend that thing. But we go around the file boxes, as you can see back through there, and we're going to go ahead and go right back through, and then we go around this pin, as you can see, this pole, and to the lower gate. Then we kind of make a banking turn right around back into the whole shot for another lap. I've been noticing lap times averaging around 18 seconds if they're fast, and a lot of times what trips people up, what has tripped me up a lot, is getting through that cabinet first and foremost. But this yellow gate is really a hit or miss kind of thing. Depends on the type of lap you're having. So yeah, that's the Tiny Whip track so far. I'm going to add a lot of other cool stuff, especially out in the main basement area. But here in the workshop, things are really flowing, and I really do like this counterclockwise turning setup of spirals, because I'm really used to, and I really like turning at spirals in counterclockwise direction. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I really accelerate at that, if you know what I mean. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the Tiny Whip track, please go ahead, let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.